I have the total price and discounted price of some products, and now I want to calculate the discount percentage to see how much percent discount has been applied. I will show you two methods to calculate the percentage. First, press the equal sign and open the bracket, then click on the total price, subtract the discounted price, close the bracket, and now divide it by the discounted price. Finally, press Enter. Percentage is now displayed. Then, drag down to fill the entire data. Now the second method is easier. You don't need to use brackets, and it will show the same result. Click on the cell, press the equal sign, then click on the total price, divide it by the discounted price, press -1, and hit Enter. Then, drag down to fill the entire data. You can see that both results are the same. Like and follow for daily tips and tricks.